Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with a new topic on. We are having this option of exponents, logarithmic and then factorial in this scientific option. So we will be watching what these functionalities are and where these functionalities are getting used. So let's get started with the video. Here all these three buttons basically, or functionality in this Power Query window, it's basically applicable on if you are having a number column. So on a number column only you can apply these options. To deal up with these options, basically exponent is nothing but it's a mathematical term which you can search around on the web, that what basically exponent is. It's beyond our right now lecture scope. So but I will tell you that if you are knowing this exponent, and it's basically if when you are multiplying a long multiplication, and it's basically the what you may say that you are simplifying your multiplication with this functionality of exponent and then logarithm. So it's a mathematical term, you can search around it. So it's nothing but if you will select any column, suppose this is a sales column, and if we want to have scientific and then exponent, you can see that those values are getting applied. So let me tell you on this basis. Basically this is a row ID. Why I am choosing this particular column? Because it is having a very simple and straightforward data into this particular column. So I will just choose this row ID and then I will apply this exponent. So you can see that e raised to the power 1 exponent is basically e, and e is exponent is represented by e, and e raised to the power 1, that is 2.71, which you are already aware of. So 2.71 is the value of e. Then e raised to the power 2, so that is basically 7.38. So like that it will be applied to whole of the column. Let me demonstrate you another one. Logarithm. We are having basically two categories of logarithm. One is common logarithmic function, and another one is natural. So here it basically classifies all the logarithm into on those two categories only, that is base 10 and natural. So base 10 is the common common logarithmic categorization, and this natural is another category. In base 10, what it is, basically your log and then the base will be 10 in this case, and in this natural your logarithmic function will be having the base of e. So when we will apply over this base 10, so when you will apply log base 10 over this 1, and it will be something you will get at 0, and when it will be applied on log 10, you can see that it is 1. So it will just, whatever your number will be into that particular column, it will just take that with having 10 as base. So hope you are understanding it. And let me show you another option, that is natural. So in this natural, it's nothing but when I applied this natural, so it took log and then base as e, with having value of this 1 as 1 becomes 0. So something like this, the whole mathematical formula, if you are aware of it, is very easy to use. So you can get around with these terminologies, that what all these things do. It's the perspective of mathematics. So right now I am leaving this particular topic, but I am showing you how to apply this particular function. So it is here which we can apply. Now factorial, it's again another mathematical very common formula which needs to be applied into day-to-day data activity, that is factorial. Factorial is again nothing but the multiplication which will go in the reverse order. If suppose you are having a number of 5 and you want to take out factorial of 5, so it will be something like 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Again similarly, it's suppose 4 if you want to take as suppose 7 if you want to take out the factorial of 7, so 7 will be 7 into 6 into 3 till 1. So it's the formula you can just again go to search on web and then get to know that how these mathematical functions do the work. I am again showing you the factorial of how it is applying. For 1 it will be 1, for 2 again it will be 2 because 2 into 1, again for 3 it will be 6, 3 into 2 into 1, so it becomes 6. So I will apply this formula here, factorial. You can see that whatever the basically the functionality of all these mathematical implementations are, it is getting applied over this particular column, which is the number column. So that's only the specification that it should be number, and all the formula will be applied over it. So hope this video you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Any confusion, let me know into the comment section. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next video.